Welcome to Brick Vault. I'm Angelia, and today I will be building the Pteranodon capture from Jurassic World. This is set number 75915. It is 174 pieces for ages 6 through 12. Not only does the set include the giant Pteranodon monster, but it also includes 2 minifigures. You have the ACU guard, and you have Simon Maserati, my friend in the helicopter. Fun fact, did you know that the maximum wingspan of a Pteranodon is 30 feet? What? Let's go ahead and see what we have inside our set box. Instruction manual, a couple stickers. I've got a little, we have bag number 2 right here. And looks like the last one, oh, yep, bag number 1. All right, let's get to building. Okay, so I am missing his head. And the Pteranodon? It's like where? Oh, got it. It's a little guy. I almost lost my head there for a second. Yes! I'm done! I'm pretty excited about how all of this came out. I have my ACU guard right here. He's got an ACU vest on, a visor, and a helmet to be very safe. He's armed and ready to go. He looks a little nervous. His face is like this. Here we are with Simon. One of his faces looks ready for action. He looks ready to go. And the other one is kind of angry, so maybe he's frustrated. Our Pteranodon, he's got moving wings here that flap up and down to help him fly through the sky there. He also has his mouth that moves up and down. There is actually a net gun on the side here. You tuck the net in. Let's see if we can capture our Pteranodon. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! If you liked the Pteranodon capture set, please click the link in the description below to see more. Good luck on that capture.